Today, we're diving into SoFi, unpacking what's moving it, breaking down the latest data, and analyzing what this means for you as an investor. If you've been curious about SoFi's recent performance and future potential, stay tuned as we cover all the essentials you need to know. Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads, and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. SoFi has been catching attention, but today it took a step back, dipping by 2.19%. This decline wasn't due to anything specific to the company itself. Instead, it mirrored broader market trends. Let's break this down. One major factor was tax loss selling, which tends to impact stocks at year-end as investors offset their gains by selling underperformers. Combine that with profit-taking, and you get a market environment ripe for fluctuations. Additionally, algorithmic trading capitalized on this situation, amplifying the downward pressure on various stocks, including SoFi. Despite the dip, no significant news or filings from the SEC affected SoFi directly. The stock was largely moving in tandem with the market, trading between a low of 1542 and a high of 1588. What stands out is the low trading volume, 31 million shares, compared to the 46 million average. This drop in activity indicates a lack of significant moves by institutional investors, often referred to as big money. Transactions over $100,000 were few and far between, which explains why SoFi's price is stagnant or slightly trending downward. This shift isn't isolated to SoFi. It reflects a broader rotation within the equity market. Investors appear to be reallocating funds from growth stocks like SoFi to speculative plays that promise higher short-term returns. For instance, stocks associated with buzzwords like quantum are drawing considerable interest. Such trends are cyclical, and SoFi's current consolidation phase aligns with these patterns. Short sellers also played a minor role today. The short interest increased by 323,000 shares, making up 12.92% of SoFi's free float, approximately 137.55 million shares in total. The cost to borrow has normalized and utilization is at 17.5%. This suggests that shorts aren't overly aggressive right now. Instead, they seem to be waiting for either a market downturn or unexpected data to act upon. Looking at options activity, today's trading volume was noticeably low. Calls made up 16 millioners, while puts accounted for 4.9 million. Optimism was present, with 46% of options activity leaning bullish. However, some bearish sentiment lingered, as reflected in specific strikes. For example, there were notable purchases for a $14 strike price set for next week, suggesting expectations of a further dip. Support and resistance levels are crucial here. SoFi closed at 15.63, trading between its pivot point and the S1 support level. Key support lies at 1536 with resistance at 1594. If it breaks above, the next targets would be 16.52 and 16.88. Options data shows some anticipation for SoFi to climb above these levels by the end of the week. However, without significant institutional buying, maintaining these support levels could be challenging. From a technical perspective, SoFi's chart showed it dipping below the ALMA today, a notable signal that usually requires 2 consecutive trading days to confirm. Tomorrow will be crucial for determining the next move. The 50-day moving average stands at 14.02, and the supertrend support sits at 1438. A break below these levels could trigger algorithmic selling, adding more pressure. In summary, SoFi is in a consolidation phase marked by low trading volume and reduced institutional activity. This isn't unusual for SoFi, as past trends have shown periods of stagnation before significant breakouts. Big money was aggressively buying SoFi for months, but the pace has slowed, leading to the current sideways movement. Despite this, there's optimism for a recovery. By Q2 or late Q1, SoFi could reach the $19 to $20 range if conditions align favorably. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.